Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a waterfall chart in Excel with Total. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make a waterfall chart. At first, select data. Click and drag on our mouse. Now we go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option and go to the all chart. Select the waterfall and choose the waterfall chart and click OK. Now we can see here the waterfall chart and we can see here the total series. Now I am select the total series. You want to edit this, click this, double click on this and we can see here the edited option of the legend. You can set the legend bottom or the left or the right or the top corner of the top corner. Otherwise you can show this legend or remove this legend. Now I am select the chart and rename the chart. Click inside the chart title and rename this. Now I am select the chart title, click and drag on our double click on our mouse, applying the bold effect. You can change the color. You can change the style of the chart. Now we can see we make a waterfall chart in Excel with Total very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.